Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show how I'm going to demonstrate how you can cancel a session through the app. So in this case I'm a user and I've logged into the app and I can go ahead and see my upcoming sessions and my session for the day. So the main differentiation when it comes to cancelling a session is whether that particular session that you have cancelled gets counted or not. By counted in the sense that do you get charged for that particular cancellation or not. So taking a simple example here, when it comes to Tonobolic, the terms and conditions which they work with is that if a session is cancelled less than 6 hours before the start time, so suppose it's a 8 p.m. class and I cancel the session after 2 p.m., that session will be marked as cancelled but counted. But now in the case that I have cancelled the session more than 6 hours before the class, so suppose I cancel the session at 1 p.m., then that particular session will be termed as cancelled but not counted. That is the main differentiation here, and that's the main thing that you have to understand when it comes to cancelling the sessions. So I'm just going to jump in and show you how you can actually cancel these sessions. So in this case, as you can see, there's a session at 8:30 p.m. and the time right now is 7:47, right? So this is less than 6 hours prior to the session start time. So since it's going to start in another 45 minutes, so now if I cancel the session, it should be go to the three dots on the top and cancel the session. It would be termed as a session that is cancelled and counted, right? So now if I click on the cancel button, here the alert, as you can see, shows that are you sure that you want to cancel the session, as it is cancelled less than 6 hours prior to the start time. This will be counted as a session that is cancelled and counted, right? So clearly here it states that if you are cancelling the session, it will still be counted and you will have to be charged for it. Correct? As you can see on top, the session status has been updated, and below also you can see that the session has been cancelled and counted. Now let's take the other case into account where the session is cancelled more than 6 hours prior to the start time, right? So for this I'm just going to take a future session, my session on the 16th. Today is the 15th, and now if I go to cancel, go to the right top corner, click on the three dots and click on cancel session. As you can see that here it says that the session will be cancelled and not counted, since it was cancelled more than 6 hours prior to the start time. And now if I click on yes, you can see that the status gets updated as well, cancelled and not counted, right? So this is how you can actually cancel sessions. Just have to keep in mind whether the session was cancelled 6 hours prior or less than 6 hours before the session start time. In case you want to keep tab of all the counted sessions and non-counted sessions, you can come back to the home screen, and on the home screen you can see there's a section for view session report. So in view session report, you get a list of all the counted sessions. So when it's a session that's cancelled and counted, it will appear here, and in not counted you get to see that all the cancelled sessions which are not counted.